Can a tablet replace a laptop? Hello guys, for today's video, I will go over if a tablet can replace a laptop. So what we have here is the Samsung Tablet S9 Ultra with an amazing screen of 14.6 inch with a dynamic AMOLED, and it's the largest tablet available on the market. One of the key features of this tablet is its IP68 rating, which is the one and only water and dust resistant tablets on the market. With starting price for as low as $1199.99 for the 256GB storage, and with the 12GB RAM, and up to $1469.99 for the 1TB storage with the 16GB of RAM. Also keep in mind that this tablet has an SSD slot that can expand the memory up to 1TB of storage. Now, can this tablet replace a laptop? With the cover case keyboard, it will give you that laptop experience, along with the Samsung DeX feature. Will turn this tablet into a desktop or a laptop experience. And with the largest screen of 14.6 inch, the multitasking experience is just ridiculously good. You can actually open up multiple screens or streaming videos or even play your favorite games. It is smooth and fast because of the newly designed super fast Snapdragon 8 Gen chip. It's the most powerful tablet processor in the market. Now, can this tablet replace a laptop? Well, in my opinion, after using this tablet to its full potential, it will all depends on how you will be using this tablet. Only you can say if it can replace a laptop. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video, and I hope to see you again in our future videos. Peace!